This conference will now be recorded.
Yes, hello, can you hear me? Yes, guys. Okay. So in the previous class, we discussed about string, and in the string there are some subtopics are left. Those we will see after these 5 data structures over. Okay. Right. Now let's start with second one, guys. List data structure. Let's start with the second one. That is list data structure. List, guys. Okay. Yes. In case of string, what is the definition of a string? All of you observe. String is a collection of right characters. Collection of characters. Okay, enclosed by quotes, guys. Okay, there is the definition of a string. In case of list, we say that list is a collection of elements, guys. Collection of elements enclosed by square brackets, guys. Enclosed by square brackets. See, both are collection of only. But string means we say that collection of characters. In case of list, we say that collection of elements are, we can say, items also, guys. Collection of elements are items. Enclosed which one? Quotes. Okay. Yes. Suppose let me write here. Now all of you observe. I'll take one list. LST equal to square brackets of 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, like this, guys. I take one list like this. Yes. Now all of you observe. So here these are the elements are also called items, guys. Also called the items. Okay. And all elements are items enclosed by which one? Enclosed by square brackets, guys. It's square brackets. Okay. And these elements can be homogeneous or heterogeneous, guys. The list elements can be homogeneous or heterogeneous. Okay. But second point here, this is the first point, guys. Okay, it's the first point. But second one is list elements. List elements are items. Okay, elements are items. Can be either homogeneous or heterogeneous, guys. Either homogeneous or heterogeneous elements. Homogeneous or heterogeneous elements. Now we have a doubt. So what is the meaning of homogeneous elements? What is the meaning of heterogeneous? Yes. Now all of them. I'll take one list here. In the list, I'll take some elements. I take some elements, right? See, actually, what are the different data types we have, guys? We have the integer type values. We have the float type values. Generally, float type is there, and the bool type values are there, right? Next, string type values are there, and complex, right, guys? Complex type values are there. Generally, these are the 5 different types are there. Okay. Now I'll take the one new list. In the list, if I use all integer values or all float values, all bool values, all string values, or complex values, that is called homogeneous list. Suppose I am taking here 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, guys, tell me now this one homo or heterogeneous, guys? Which one? In the list, think it. In the list, what are the elements? Are all belongs to same kind or not? Same type or not? These all belong to same type. Which type? Integer, guys. 1 is integer value, 2 is integer value, right? And 3 is integer value, 4 also integer value. All values belongs to to same type, right? Same type. So then is this homogeneous or heterogeneous, guys? Tell me now, all of you. Tell me now this one. What is this one? It is the homogeneous, guys. Okay, it is the right homogeneous, right? I'll take one more list, guys. Here, one more list. I'll take, for example, 1.9, right? 2.8, then 3.5, like this. This one, which one? This one, is it homo or hetero? All of you, which one? Yes, it's also homogeneous only, right? I'll take one more list, guys. List 2 equal to, suppose I'll take here, suppose some string value a, string value x, string value r, like this. What about this one? What about this one? Which one? Yes, it's also homogeneous only, right? Next one, I'll take the one more list. Suppose list 4 equal to, I'll take here 10 comma 10 comma a comma 20 comma 30. Now tell me, guys, what is this one now? What is this one? All of you, all of you. Is it hetero or homogeneous? Is it hetero or homogeneous, guys? All of you reply, guys. Everybody is your reply. So is it homo or heterogeneous? Which one? Yes, guys. This is the heterogeneous, guys. Why heterogeneous? Because in this list, so one is the integer value, so one is the string value. The remaining all are which one? The remaining all are integer values, guys. The remaining all are integer values, right? Integer values, guys. See, so different types are there. Different types are there. So heterogeneous. Okay. Next one, LST5, for example, LST5 1.9, 10, 10. I'll take the true. I'll take here. Suppose was yeah. This one. What is this one? Tell me now, guys. It's also heterogeneous element, guys. It's also heterogeneous element. Okay. Yes. Now, let's give me reply. Give me reply. In our class daily, around, guys, 100 plus students are there, right? 100 plus students are there. So tell me now, all are as for the knowledge I'm talking, guys. Now, as for knowledge in the Python I'm talking. So all are homogeneous students or heterogeneous students, guys. Tell me now. In this class, as for knowledge in Python, all are belongs to homogeneous or heterogeneous. Which one? Yes, guys, heterogeneous students are in the class. In the class, we have heterogeneous students, not homogeneous students. Why, sir? Because in this class, guys, out of 100 people, see, there are 50% people who are starting from basic onwards, guys. They are means they are new to programming, right? They are new to program, guys. They're new to programming. Around 50 are there. New to programming means their knowledge zero, guys. Initially, their knowledge 0%. The knowledge is 0%, guys. Initially, that's fine. There are some people around 20%. 20 people are there. They know Python basics already. But still they're attending because of free batch, right? Free core Python. They're attending here. Around means they know basics, guys. They know basics already. How much percentage is there, guys? Here means they have around, guys, 50% knowledge is there. 50% knowledge is there. There are some persons, 10 members are there. Like okay, there are some 10 members are there. For example, guys, those 10 members are having the good knowledge. They having the good knowledge, guys. So means they're having around, guys, 80% knowledge is there in the Python, and remaining 20 are there, right? They know Python very well, guys. They have the excellent knowledge. Guys, already, right? But still they're attending. they have the 100%, 95% knowledge is there, guys. Still they attend the classes. Why? Because they have the free time now. They have the free time now. They want update. They want update. They may know some new points like that, right? So guys, here see, out of 100 people, see, the 100 people are from different category. Some people are new to programming. Some are the know only basics. Some are knowing the good knowledge. Some are having the excellent knowledge. That's why I always request you, if you have any queries, see guys, actually see these people get maybe these people may ask you, may ask in the class, maybe the new advanced questions they may ask us. See, now we're going on the core Python, right? Basics going on now, because they know Python already, they learn Python already, all Python over. Now they may ask us in the advanced level questions. So if I discuss advanced level answers, advanced level questions, then these people get the confusion. I'm right, all of you. Suppose now our concept is the data structures. Right? If I talk, suppose one student asked me a question in the file handling, guys. File handling question they asked. Right? Now I am discussing, guys. I am giving answer. It may take 5 minutes, 10 minutes. That answer. So right, these can understand because they know already what is file handling. All they know, but the remaining people who are new to programming, who are who knows only basics, then they get confusion. They get bored, guys. They get fear also about what they're discussing like that. That's why always I request you, the people who want to ask me questions, just message in the chat box. Okay, because here, guys, here all are important, and compared to all, these two people are most important, guys. I'm right, all of you. I'm right. All are important, but we should give priority for which people, more priority for these people, because we should go very basic onwards, guys. We should go very basic onwards every concept, so that it's benefit for all the people. For all the people, it benefit, guys. If we discuss only high level or advanced level only, no basics, then the first two categories may not understand the programs when if we don't discuss the basics. All of you, I got my point, right? Okay. Yes, fine. Leave it, guys. Right? Coming to our topic now. Yes. So I hope, guys, now you understand, right, what is homogeneous and what is heterogeneous. Okay, what is homogeneous and what is heterogeneous. So here I have taken the which values all are homogeneous only. All are homogeneous only. Yes. Next, third point. Each element, guys, each element has its own unique index number, guys. Unique index number. See this point similar to which one, a string. There are so many points will repeat from the string, guys. There are so many points will repeat now. Each element has its own index number. Now I'll take the index numbers, guys. Here I'll take the index numbers. So guys, here the forward starts from now. The forward index number starts from where? The forward number starts from where? All of you tell me now. Right, what's the number forward? Yes, 0, right? 0. This is the 1, 2, right? 3, 4, yes, 5, then 6, then 7, guys. Okay, starting from 0 onwards. So backward, guys, what about the backward? Starts from where? Right, -1. Okay, I'll take like this, guys. Right, this is the -8. Okay, right, -7, then this is -6, then -5. Okay, -5, right? This is the -4. This is the -3, right? The -2. Then this is -1, guys. Okay, -1. All of you observe. This is called forward indexing. This is called backward, guys. Okay, backward indexing. All of it. Yes, what's the point here? What's the fourth point here? Fourth point. What's fourth point here? Okay, list supports both forward, okay, forward and backward indexing, okay, indexing guys, backward index or index numbers, backward index numbers, right? Ah, so here forward index starts from where, guys? Tell me now. Forward indexing starts from where? Forward indexing starts from where? Starts from 0 and backward, right? Backward, guys. Backward indexing starts from where? Starts from which one? -1, okay. -1, guys. -1, right? -1. Yes. Next one. Next one. Observe here. See, we have taken all unique numbers, right, guys? We have taken all unique numbers, unique elements we have taken. But it allows duplicates also, guys. It allows duplicates also, like some list equal to, I can take 10, 20, 10, right? Again 20, 30, 20, like this. Means a list allows duplicate elements also. All of it. All of you. All of you. It's saying something, guys. Cannot update. We are not able to update more information. Yes, yes. Okay. What's the point here? What's the point here? Right? What's the point here? List allows. Okay. Uh, duplicate duplicate elements also. Elements also. Duplicate elements also. Okay. Next one, guys. Next one. Observe here. All of you observe. All of you observe. See, I have taken the list like this. If I print the list, guys, if I print the list, the same order will come, guys. Means the same order will come, the same order, guys, right? Means observe here. This is the output, right? This is the output, guys. Output means whatever the order I follow while inserting the values, the same values will come in the output also, guys. Means what's first value? 10. So 10 only first value. Second value 20. Second same 20, guys. Third value 10 again, same 10 only. Means what's the meaning here? The order of the values will not change. The order will not change, guys. The order is fixed. The order is fixed, guys. All of right. That point I can say here. Insertion order, guys. Insertion order of elements. Elements is preserved, or can say fixed, guys. Is preserved or fixed. All of you, okay. Yes, guys. Next, eighth point is list supports which one? Both indexing and the slicing, guys. And the slicing, right? We know how to work with indexing and slicing, right? We know. The ninth point is list supports both concatenation and multiplication, guys, right? We know what is the meaning of concatenation, what is the meaning of multiplication. We know because in the previous class we have seen the same thing on the string also, right? We also discuss again here. The next point, list supports again both packing, right, guys? Packing and unpacking, okay? Packing and unpacking, as we have seen the list, right? What is packing, what is unpacking, we know. Again, we'll see here also packing and unpacking, guys. Packing and unpacking. Okay, next one. The 11th one is list is a mutable object, guys. List is a mutable object, and also dynamic object. List is a mutable object, and also dynamic, guys. Dynamic object. Dynamic. Sir, what is mutable, sir? What is dynamic, sir? Yes, guys, we will discuss very clearly what is mutable and what is immutable. We'll see very clearly. Okay, right. Next one, observe here. List can be created in different ways, guys. Okay, different ways. Different ways. What's first way? By using square brackets, guys. That's first way. The second one is by using list function, guys. The third one is by using range function. Which function? Range, guys. Range function. All are clear. So by using square brackets, by using list function, by using range function. In this, maybe different ways are there, guys. Different ways are there. These are the base things. These are the base things, guys. Right? By using square brackets, by using list, by using range. If you observe, guys, yesterday while using the split function, guys, if you remember, while using split function, what is the output, guys? What is the output format, output type of the split function? Anyone remember? Yesterday, while using the split function, I'll show you guys now. I'll open again. I'll show you. While using the split function, output came. What is the output format? What is the output type format? Anyone, guys? Yeah, see. I'll take the one string, okay? I'll take the one string. All of please mute the mic. Right? Python, Narayana. Suppose let's take the Django. Okay, Django. Something UI. Then Flask like this, guys. Okay. Yes, that split where wherever space is there, I want split, guys. Wherever space is there, I want split. Right? Yes, guys. Now all of you observe. Output came which format here? Square brackets, guys. Okay. Output came which format? Square brackets format. Means list. List, guys, right? Means here the list is created because of which function? Because of split function also. Because of split function, guys. That's why I'm saying that I said there are different ways to create a list. Now here we can say that by using split function also you can create a list, guys. Okay, but generally these are the three base things by using square brackets, by using list function, and by using range function. By using range function, guys. Range function. Okay. Yes. Let us try now. Let us try creating one by one, guys. Okay. Yes. I'll show you now. First of all, creating homogeneous and heterogeneous. First of all, all of let me know. All of you are clear these points, guys. See, I think for you, it may be new thing, guys. Right? Immutable. This element may be new thing. And remaining, guys, almost all the things are repeated in the string order, right? Like its own index number, forward, backward, starts from 0, right? And -1 here, and duplicates, and order is fixed, indexing, slicing, concatenation, multiplication, packing, unpacking. This is all same like list only, guys. Only what's the new point for you? Oh, this is the new thing for you. Mutable and immutable and dynamic and static. The string concept we did not discuss about this mutable and immutable, guys. We'll discuss first here. Then I go to the again back string and explain there is the string is mutable or immutable. First of all, understanding the list is very easy, guys. Understanding this one the list is very easy. That's why we discuss very clearly. Now all of these points, right? If are clear, then I'll show you how to create the list, guys, by using this square brackets and list and range. We'll see one by one. Okay. Yes, let me open the ideally. I'll take the one list, guys. I'll take the one list here, square brackets of 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. See, all of you observe this name is not fixed, guys. Which name? This is the one variable name. Which variable? List variable. So it's not a fixed name. You can take any name, guys. Just I'm taking the LST, but you can take any name. A equal to or list one, or list two, or my list. You can take any name, guys. No problem, right? And in this list, all are which one, guys? Here, all are the homogeneous elements. Homogeneous. Okay. Yes, clear. Now check it here. Print of lst, print of, right, print of lst, print of lst. Check it. Same order came, right, in the list, whatever order I given while creating, the same order came in the output also, guys. Same came in the output also. The same thing will be in the string also, same as it is. The string also, if I take the string some st equal to python, right? Now I'm calling the print of st, print of st. What is the output? Actually, output is python only. Means first one character p, same p came, next y came, next t came, then h came, then o, then n, guys. Same order. The order will not change. The string in the list also. This is the homogeneous, right? Homogeneous, guys. I'll take the one heterogeneous now. I'll take the list one equal to suppose 10, 20, 1.8, then a like this. Then all of you observe, right? Print of lst1, lst, right? lst1, guys. lst1, yes. For both, for lst and lst1, same list type only, guys. List type only both. If you check now, type of lst, the first one, type of lst, same list only. Type of lst1, second one, right? Observe here, right? Same list only. It will not display homo or hetero, guys. Okay, both are list only. Both are list only. But as for the type of the elements, we are dividing like hetero and homogeneous. Hetero and homogeneous. Okay, right. This is the way creating list by using square brackets, guys. By using square brackets, this is the way creating list. What is second way? By using list function, guys. List function, again some lst equal to, I'm taking now lst equal to list of I take some 10, 20, 30, 40 like this, guys. I'm using list function now. I'm using list function I'm taking the 5 arguments, guys, right? If you observe in the list function, how many arguments are there? 5 arguments, right? 5 arguments are there in the list element. In the list function, I'm taking the 5 arguments. Now what I want now, those 5 arguments should become members of the list, right? Should become the numbers of list like this, guys. That's what I'm expecting. All of it. The list function I given the 5 arguments. Those 5 arguments should create a list elements like this, but it will throw error. Like this. Error. It will throw error, guys. Here, it will throw error. Why errors are? You can see now. You can see here. All of observe now. Why error? See. Now it's saying that the list function takes at most one argument, right? Only one argument. But how many you are given? You have given 5 arguments, guys. You have given 5 arguments. Means the list function, it takes only one. But how many given here? You have given 5 arguments. You have given 5 arguments. But what is a list? List is a collection of elements. Collection means the list can have one element or 2 elements or 5 elements, 20, 30. It can be any elements. It can be any number of elements. Now what I want now, what I want here, this I want take the 5 elements. But in case of list function, I should take only one. Only one. In that case, what we do now? All of you observe. What do I do here? I'll go to the list. Yes, I'll go to list here. Then, guys, okay. Then we'll take here square brackets. We'll take here just square brackets. That's all. We take the square brackets, guys. We take the square brackets. Okay. Yes. Now I click enter. That's all. Now what is the list, guys? Here print of lst. The same elements and type also same, guys. Type also same. Okay. What is type here? Type of lst also same list only. Okay. When you use the list function, that function takes one argument only. Now see, this all is the one argument, guys. Okay. This all is the right one argument. Okay, one argument, guys. All of clear, right? This is the way creating list by using list function. by using list function, guys. Now third one is there. What is third one? By using range function, guys. By using range function. So this range function understanding very easy when you compare with Python 2 and Python 3, guys. All of right. So now what do I do here? What do I do? See, currently we are using which version, guys? Python 3, right? Currently my version is Python 3, guys. Python 3. Now what do I do? I install the Python 2 also. Python 2 also. Then first what do I do? This range function we'll discuss first in Python 2. We'll discuss here. Then I can understand very easily here. Then we'll discuss in the Python 3, guys. Both we see one by one. We see both, right, one by one. But I think currently, guys, I have the only Python 3 only. Python 2 is not there. Only Python 3 is there. Uh, yes, guys. Just to give me 1 second time. I try to install it, guys. It doesn't take more time. Where are those? 1 second, guys. Uh, hmm. Yes, okay. Python 2 is there. And do we have any already folder is there? Yes, already folder is there. I remove that folder. Yes, guys. It will take few minutes. Let it take. Yes, guys. Okay. That will take just a few minutes time. That will take few minutes time. Right. Meanwhile, 1 second, guys. It's going to our. Okay. So leave it now. Let us see, guys. What is list concatenation? Right. I'm taking the on LST1, guys. I'm taking the on LST1. I'll take suppose 10, 20, 30. Okay. I'll take the LST2, guys. I'm taking here 1 comma 2 comma 3. For example, I'll take now LST1 plus LST2. Tell me now what is the output, guys, here. What is the output? So I'm applying the plus operator between two list objects. Okay. So in this case, what is the output? What is the output? Like is it 11, 22, 33? Or is it 10, 20, 30, 1, 2, 3? Children, guys, let me know which one answer for this list, for this concatenation, all of you. The first one or second one, guys, let me know. What is the answer here? What is the answer here? Someone given the answer, one more answer, that is like 10, this one not one, 20, this two, right? 2 not 2, 30, this 3, 3 not 3. Okay, fine. Now what is the correct answer, guys, here? What is the answer? Is it first one or second one or third one? All of you reply, guys. All of you reply. Which one? Yes, guys. Second one is the answer because the plus operator, plus operator applying between two list objects, not integers. They are list, right? That's why the first object, then the second object. That's all, guys. Means this one, right? See, first object elements are there, then second one elements are there. That's also suppose A is there plus B, guys. What's the output now? A, B. That's all, right? Side by side, both side by side. Same here also, right? This is the LST1, then LST2, that's all. That is the which one concatenation, guys. Let's come into the LST1 into 2, guys. As output now, tell me now. LST1, what is LST1? 10, 20, 30 is the LST1. I'm taking 2. What is the answer now? What is the answer? What is the answer, guys? I'll write here, tell me now, is right or wrong. 10 into 2, right, 20, right here, tell me now, 10 into 2, 20, 20 into 2, 40, 30 into 2, 60. Is this right answer, or else see now, 10, 20, 30, 10, 20, 30, it is right answer. Which one, guys? Tell me now. See here, what I am doing first case, I'm multiplying, right? I'm multiplying like 2 into 10, right? 2 into 20, 2 into 30. That's what result, which one? The first one, guys. Second one is 2 into list. Means 2 times list will come. The second answer, guys. So which one now? Tell me now. Is it first one or second one, guys? Which one? All please mute the mic. Please mute the mic. Yes. The second one is the answer, guys, because it repeat the string. It repeat the string or repeat the list object, guys. Multiplication means repeating. Okay. Multiplication means repeating, guys. Yes. Now come to the third one, guys. What's third one? Creating a list by range function, guys. By range function. Now we have both Python 2 and Python 3 is there. Ideal. See, guys, all of observe now. See the difference. Actually, we have two things, right? Python 3 and Python 2. Okay, Python 2. In case of Python 3 versions, see that number will be like ideally Python 3.9, ideally Python 3.6, like that. Version number is there 3. In case of 2, only ideally no version number, guys. No version number. See that this is the way to find the which one Python 3, which one Python 2. Now these two are the Python 3. This is the Python 2. For Python 2, the version number will not display in case of ideally. Okay. Right, guys. Now I'll open the first right, Python 2. Python 2. Yes, guys. Now all of you observe. Yes, guys, I'm taking the Python 2 here. Now what's the function name, guys? We are using here range function. Now all of you observe, this range function is most useful in every advanced topic, guys. In every advanced topic, maybe functions, file handling, let's take the whoops, wherever, whatever the topic we use, in all the topics, this range function is common, guys. It's very common. Okay, let us see now what is the range function. Now range of, now all of observe range of. The range function has 3 arguments, guys. The range function has 3 arguments. The first one is start number. Okay, start number. Then end number. Then, guys, increment number. Increment, guys, increment number. Increment value. All right. The range function has 3 arguments. One is start number, then end number, then increment value or increment number, guys. Increment number. Right? So out of these 3 arguments, out of these 3, start number and increment number, guys. Increment number are optional. Are optional, guys. Means for start number, for increment number, if you don't give values also no problem. For start number, if you don't give the value, start from 0 onwards by default, guys. By default, start number 0. If you don't give the number for the increment, then the default increment is the 1, guys. All right. Observe now. Default start number is how much? Is the 0. Next, default increment number, how much? Is the 1, guys. Is the 1. All right. Both are optional, right? Both are optional. For default start number is 0 and default increment number is the 1, guys. 1. Okay, right. Now what is the mandatory here? N number is the mandatory, guys. This is the mandatory argument in the range function. Okay, range function. Now I am going here. I'll take now lst1 equal to lst1, right, equal to range of I am giving, suppose only I'm giving the 10, guys. I am giving the 10. Only 10. I don't give any other number. Only 10. Tell me now, this 10 is a start number or n number or increment number, guys? I am giving 10 only. 10 only. I don't want to give any other argument. Then tell me now, is it a start number or increment number or n number? All of you tell me now, is it a start number or n number increment number? Yes, guys, it is the end number. End number. If you have the only one argument in the only one value in the range, that is the end number. And remaining start number, increment number are not there. Are not there. If they are not there, then what is default start number? 0. Starting from 0 onwards. Start from 0 onwards, up to the 10, and increment how much here? Increment now let us here. I'll take now. Now let us see here. Print off, guys. Print off LST1. Yes. Now all of you observe, start from 0 onwards. Start from 0 onwards. Till which one? 9, guys. Not the 10. It takes up to 9 only. See, what is the meaning of 10 here? Range of 10 means I want 10 values, right, guys? This range of 10 means what is the meaning here? What is the meaning here? Required 10 values. Okay, required 10 values. Required 10 values. That's the meaning of which one? Range of 10. Start from 0. Then by the time 9, we got the 10 values, guys. Because we start from here, start from 0 onwards. Start from 1 onwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then 10 will come. The 10 will come, guys. When 10 will come, we start from 1 onwards. But in Python, start from where? 0 onwards. That's why we take up to 9 only. If I give that 10, 10 means you take the 9 only. If you take the 20, then what last value here? 19 only. 19 only means the last value minus 1, guys. End value, you can say that end value minus 1. That is the result, guys, here. All of clear, right? All of clear? Suppose if I take now, if I take as LST2, for example, I'm taking now range of 4, guys. Range of 4. Tell me now, guys, what's the output here? All of what's the output? Tell me now. All of you, what's the output? Tell me now here. Range of 4. Give me complete output. Don't say only 3. Is it 1, 2, 3 or 1, 2, 3, 4 or 0, 1, 2, 3? All of you. Right? Yeah, 3, guys. 4 will not come. Only 3 only. Only 3 only, guys. Only 3 only. Okay. Next one, guys. LST3 equal to range of 2, guys. Tell me now. Range of 2. Tell me now, guys. Tell me now. All of you. Range of 2. Range of 2. Range of 2. How much now? Yes, guys. It is the 0, 1. Right? 0, 1. Okay. And the last one, guys. LST4 equal to, I am taking now range of 1, guys. Tell me now. Range of 1. Range of 1. Range of 1. All of you. LST4. What is there? Yes, guys. 0 only. Suppose if I take now, if I take here LST some name 5 of a range of 0, guys. Is it possible? Is it possible? If possible, what is the output? If not possible, then what is the result, guys? What is the result? Like any error like that. Which one, guys, here? Which one? LST5. LST5. Empty list, guys. No minus 1. Empty list, that's all. All of you, okay? This type of things sometimes very, very important interviews, guys. This type of things very, very useful interviews. Like range of 0, what is the result? To say that minus 1 or error like that. No, it is the which one? Empty list. Okay, fine, guys, right? Fine. Now let us see the about range function little bit more. Python 2. Yes. Now LST1 equal to, so range of 10 means now guys here in number is giving, right? In number giving what start number here, what start number starting from where, guys? Tell me now. What start number here? Tell me now. All of you, what start number? Start number. How much? Yes, 0. Start number 0, comma. What is in number? What is the n number, guys? Here, what is the n number? What is the end n number? End number. Actually 10, but logically 9, right, guys? Actual 10 is given, but logical 9. What's increment number now? What is increment number? Which one? Increment number, guys, right? Yes, this is the one, right? 1, guys. Okay, increment number is the 1, right? Now you can see here LST1. So then output will be, or the output here, start from 0, guys, right? We are saying that start from 0. 0. After 0, what will come? Increment by 1. After 0, next one. Next one, which one here? 1, right? 1, guys. After 1, again next one. Means this is the increment number every time. Okay, every time increment number, guys, right? I'll check it here. 0 to 9. So this is the start number, and this is the end number. And debit increment how much here? Increment by 1, guys. Increment by 1, right? Increment by 1 like this. That is the increment value. Okay, right. That's the first one. I'll take one more list, guys. List 2. List 2. I take here range of 3 comma 11, guys. Tell me now. So in this case, what is the start number, guys? Tell me. What is the start number? All of you. What is the start number? All of you. What is the start number? Start number, guys, right? 3. Yes. What is the n number logically? What is the n number logically, guys? Programmatically, internally, what is the n number? Okay, physically you can see 11, but programmatically, logically, what is the n number? Yes, very good. 10. Increment number, guys, how much? Increment number, how much here? Increment number, how much? Yes, 1. Okay, all of you, 1. Yes, now LST2, you can see now, right? So start number 3, right? Start number 3. Yes. Then end number is 10. Then increment by 1. That's why. So 3 next value 4. 4 1 increment to 5. 5 1 increment to 6. Like that, all increment values came, guys. Okay. That's fine. Next one. LST3 equal to, I'll take now range of so 5 comma 20 comma 3, guys. 3. Now tell me here, what is start number? Allah, what start number? Start number 5. And n number, guys, logically, n number logically. All of you, n number, how much is the n number? All of you, what is the n number logically? Yes, 19. Very good. What is increment value now? Increment value, is it 1 or 3? Is it 1 or 3? Is it 1 or 3? All of you. Yes, guys. This is 3. It is 3. Very good. Now, all of you, tell me output. Write the output. Write down the output, guys. What is the output now? What is the output, guys? What is the output? Start 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 like that, guys. All of you, what is the output? Okay. 5, 8, 11, 14, 17, guys. Chandra Kumar, please check on your mic. Chandra Kumar. Yes. That's fine, guys. Okay. Now we have seen the range with only n number and start number, start and the increment number, right? We have seen 3 possibilities, guys, right? We have seen 3 possibilities. We have seen, right, 3 possibilities. Okay. Fine. Now all of you observe. All of you observe. See, if I take now list, some list equal to range of, guys. If I take 100, how many elements will generate? I'm not asking the start and increment. Totally, how many elements will generate? One by one. Tell me now, guys. I am not asking you the n number or start number. I'm asking you totally how many numbers will generate. Totally, how many numbers will generate? All of you. How many numbers generate? Yes, guys, correct. Totally, how much generate here? Totally, 100 elements will generate, guys. Start from 0 and 99 means 100 generates 100, right? So, guys, suppose it will take, for example, guys, 1 second time. Just imagine now. 1 second time, guys. 1 second time. Okay, just imagine, guys, right? Because it generates right 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on 99. It's read all one by one, right? It's read all one by one, guys. That's right. Sometimes suppose if I take the 1,000, how many elements will generate, guys? Range of 1,000, then guys, how many elements? 100 elements. Then how many elements? How many generate here? All of you, right? See, guys, right? 1,000 elements generate. It may be, for example, guys, it takes us 10 seconds time, guys. Okay, it may takes 10 seconds time. Just imagine, guys, just imagine now, because it should generate like all limits from 0 to 999, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. It is reading all one by one. It takes some time, right? It takes some time, guys. If I take 10,000, it will read how many elements? 10,000 elements, guys. So it may take, for example, guys, 100 seconds. Okay, 100 seconds, for example, I am giving. If I take here, suppose 1 lakh elements, guys, range of 1 lakh, then it generates how many elements here? 1 lakh elements, right? 1 lakh elements, guys. It may take some 1,000 seconds like this. See, it's taking the more time, guys. Means in the range is increasing automatically. The time also increasing, guys. All of clear, right? In the range is increasing automatically. Time also increasing. The execution time also increasing. Execution time was increasing. Why? Because it should generate all elements one by one, starting to ending. That's why it takes more time, guys. It takes more time to solve this problem. In Python 3, they simplified it range function very easily, guys. The same problem they simplified in Python 3 very easily, very easily. Okay, I am going to click enter now, guys. See, I call the LST. Now see, it will take a lot of time, guys. Now it will take, see here cursor, right? You can see cursor here. It will take a lot of time. Why lot of time? Because it should generate from where, starting from 0, then 1, 2, 3, and so on. It should generate, guys, all the elements till this number -1. This takes a lot of time, guys, lot of time. Okay, right. Now the same examples I'll do in Python 3 also. Now you can compare, guys. You can compare here Python 3. I'm taking Python 3. The same examples I'll do in Python 3 also. Now all of you observe, guys, I do same as it is in Python 3 also. First list one, right? List one. First list one, I'm taking same elements as it is. So range of 10, guys. Range of 10. Range of 10. Okay. Range of 10. Range of 10, guys. Okay. Yes. Now all of you observe in the same one. If I use in Python 2, generating all one by one. What start number? 0 and 1, 2, 3 up to 9, guys. Right? 9. Okay. But in this case, in Python 3, we observe here, I'm going to print LST1, guys. So in this one, it generates only the start number and end number only. And now you have to imagine, okay, between 0 to 10, all numbers are there. So 10 means logical what number, guys? Here logically 9 only. Logically 9 only, guys. Means in Python 3 it displays the start number n number only, not all the elements, guys, not all the elements in Python 3. Okay, suppose now I'll take the second one, guys. LST2 equal to range of 3 comma 11, guys. Okay, 3 comma 11 start number and end number here, right? Here also LST2 equal to, we can see now, guys, in Python 2 3 4 5 6 and so on. Python 3 only start number and end number only. Here increment number is not there, increment number not there, means you have to imagine increment by 1 only, like 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, that's all. Here also same, increment number not there, so you have to imagine that increment number is 1 automatically, then 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, that's all, guys. Okay, now take third example. LST3 equal to, suppose the range of suppose 5 comma some 20 comma 3, guys. Okay, 3, all of it 3, guys. Then now observe here LST3. Now what happens here? Same in this case, just that first number and end number, increment number also modified, right? That number also coming here, that's all, guys. Python 3, but in Python 2 displays all the numbers, displays all the numbers, guys. Now coming to the last scenario, this scenario in Python 3, how it works. I'm taking now LST equal to range of, guys, range of suppose I take the 100 elements. So here logically, guys, how many elements will generate here logically? Generates how many elements here? 100 elements. It generates as normally logically generate 100 elements only. Okay, 100 elements generates, guys, but what is the output actually? Generate 100 elements, but actually what's the output display here? Does display 0 1 2 3 4 5 and so on, just 0 0 100, guys? Display, which one? Tell me now, what does it display? Output, output which one here? Like output is a range of which one? 0 comma 0 comma 100. That means 100 elements will generate, and how much time, guys? Here it takes, guys, for example 10 seconds, guys. Okay, 10 seconds time only. For example, imagine now, for example, guys, okay, just imagine, or 1 second, 1 second only, that's all, only 1 second. Okay, suppose, guys, I'm taking now range of 1000. Means what's the output here, guys? What's the output here? What's the output here? Same, right? Just only one zero will add, that's all. Means the output coming very quickly, guys, but logically how many here? 1000 are the logically, but they are not printing here, they are not printing, guys, they are not printing. What's printing output here? 0 1000 only. How much time? Same time only, guys, because you're taking the start number in time n number only, either the range of 10 start number n number only here, range of 1000, range of 1000, same start number n number only here, range of 1 lakh, same start number n number only here. Means always whatever range you take here, I am giving here the start number n number only. I am giving here the start number n number only. So same time, guys, time will not change. I'll take here for example one more zero, guys. I'll take one more zero. Suppose let's take any number of zeros. Same start number n number only. Same time, guys, same time, right? I've taken this one. Just I'm going to print here lst. As output came, guys, see output came Python 3. Output came very immediate, right? Within same time, guys, with 1 second time only output came. But Python 2, see, guys, still it is giving the output. See, it's getting which one? Not responding, guys, not responding Python 2. Why? It is generating the elements, elements, right? From where? From 0 onwards, right? Like 0 1 2 3, generating like that all, guys, generating all. How many? It generates now 10 lakhs elements, guys. 10 lakh elements generates. That's why it takes a lot of time when the size of range is very big in Python 2. But Python 3, whatever the range it is, no problem, it gives which one? The start number in number only. Start number in number. That's all, guys. Now all of clear. The difference of Python to Python in the case of range function. All of you clear now? All of you clear now about range function? All of clear, right? About range function. Yes, guys. So now Python 2 got stuck. Python 2 got stuck. Uh, right. So guys, here now in Python 3, I'm taking the type of, guys, type of this LST, either LST or LST, anyone, guys. Okay. This all by using range, right? This LST1 the range only, LS2 range only, 3 range only, that's range, right? Now when you create the list by using list range function, now all of you observe here. When you create the list by using square brackets, what is type here? Type is list type, guys. Okay, that's the list type only. Okay, next we create the list by using a list function. Same list type, right? List data type, guys. List data type only. But in case of range, guys, now observe here, it gives which type? Range type, guys. Which type? Range type. Why range type? Because it's giving the which one? The start and any number only, not all the numbers. That's why which type now? It's a range type, guys. Range of start number, n number, not list of elements. Not list of elements, guys. In case if you take the normally LST1 equal to some 10 comma 20 comma 30, here all elements are there, list of elements are there. That's why type of LST, which one? List. Why list? List of elements are there. That's why this is the which type? List type, guys. List type. In case of here, list of elements are not there. What is there? Start number, n number. This range is there. That's why here which type? This is the range type, guys. Okay, range type. If you create the list by using range function, then that is the which type? Range type only. Because the range function not displays all elements, displays only the start number, n number. If increment number is there, displays increment number also. If increment number is not there, then by default increment number 1 only, it won't display. That's all. Now all of you are clear? Are you clear? In Python 2 same list only, guys. In Python 2 same list only. Why list only? In Python 2 displaying list of elements, right? In Python 2 giving list of elements. That's why in Python 2 the range also list type only. All of you are clear, right? Why? Because the range function also giving all list of elements, all list of elements, guys. Okay. Yes. Now today all of you are clear, right, about creating list by using this range function, guys. Range function. Okay. Yes. Now all of you observe. Now you understand about string on list, right? String on list, guys. Now you make some points, guys. You see the last which one? String videos and this video, and you make some differences like between string and list, guys. Between string and list, you try to make some differences, guys. Difference between string and list. Try to make it because the string is not over, right? Just only basic over. You try to make some points between these two, string and list, guys. All of clear? Right. So fine, guys, right? We stop it now. We stop it now, and I will continue tomorrow with the same link, guys, same time. Okay. Yeah.